So I want to refill. This is everything we got. Yani, there's so much. Hi guys, it's a beautiful day and I'm going to tag you along on my busy day. Hello simplifiers, Jessie is my name and this is Simplify Your Lifestyle. On this channel, we have different segments. We have a weekly segment on Hack It, where we share different hacks and tips of how to make life easy. And we have a monthly segment of different array of content, including vlogs, reviews, meal preps, home organization, transformations, lifestyle changes and budgeting, reaction videos, healthier meals, budget meals, and intermittent fasting journey updates. We have a quick tip segment and Q&A. So if you have any questions, drop them down below. Let's get to the video. As you saw when I was about to make breakfast, I had forgotten that gas has run out. So I want to refill. So the first thing is to disconnect. You can see there is this switch thing here. So you just press it and turn it round like that. When it's across like this, it shows the gas is when it's across like this, it shows that you have locked in terms of you can't use the gas, whether there's gas or not. And then you press this again and you turn to the upper side, it disconnects. I have seen comments. Actually, this connecting gas video is my viral video, and I've seen numerous comments on different gases are different. So this is mine. If yours is different, you use your different mode. Okay, but thank you so much for the love on that video, because I have gained the most subscribers and I've also gained a lot of views. We are heading to 200k views and I really appreciate. If you've not watched the video, you can check it out. If not, you can still watch this one, because I'll still show you how to reconnect the gas. Yeah, so let's head out for shopping. So the next thing, I'm checking the stock we have of groceries. I can see we only have one brown flour. We have dal. We have some camande, blue band, and green gram. So cereals we have enough. And here we have bay leaves and some kitchen items for the dishes. So next thing is in the containers. This is too little, but we have stock. We have maize flour, we have pasta, we have wheat flour brown, we have some chocolate, some sugar, and some rice. This is all the rice that we have. Yeah, so we also need to stock up some other things. Yeah, so let me check what we have in stock on other groceries. The tomatoes can be enough for the week. Carrots will be enough. Bell peppers I think will be enough. I had bought some more. Then we have, yeah, you can see we are doing very well with leftovers. No leftover food, by the way. Everything has been eaten. Then we come here to check what we have. These bones we are going to throw away now. They've been here long enough. We have some maize for githeri, some green grams over here, some wings, and some smokies. I don't know what this is. And what is this? And some minced meat. So we'll need to stock some beef. And yeah, so that's all we need to stock on this side. I'm done checking the things that we need, and now I'm heading out. Allow me to talk about our giveaway. We have a complete Meko burner and cylinder that we are giving away to our subscribers and followers on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and IG. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers and 10,000 followers. So introduce as many people as possible. Maybe if we notice someone is so dedicated, we might give something before the 10,000. But for now, our ultimate prize is the Meko burner and cylinder that we're going to give away once we hit 10,000 subscribers. So keep subscribing, keep following us on our other social media pages, and we really appreciate the 1,440 of you. Thank you so much for considering us worthy of your subscription. So I'm set to go out for shopping. Yes, so let's go. Shopping for water, but we have deliveries, but only that I'm leaving the house, so I've decided to just get water on my way back. I need gas, it's finished, and also market and supermarket, and I'll be shopping for my house and my mom's house. So let's do this. I'm undecided as to where to start, but I'm thinking let me do the market first.
Don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God. Feel like that. Feel like.
Back with different things. This is everything I bought. Let me tell you mine. I'm tired. I'll show you the things I shopped for my house and for my mom's house. This one is up to here, and then I have restocked. Yeah, this is everything we got. Yani, there's so much. I don't even know where to start. So let's start by fixing the gas because I need to start cooking. This is the way we are installed. Time to put it back. I like putting it back here in between, and then I just clip it back like that. There's this button that you press. You turn the main switch sideways. It has to be pressed for it to work. So now the gas is locked. You can see when I want to try and use, it's just making the noise. So let's go further and put it on. You press this button, this small one like this, and then you push the black thing round like that. You see this one? Let's see. You can see now it works. Oh, I've used the other burner. You can see now it works. Yeah, so that's the simplest way of connecting gas cylinder to the gas cooker. Yes. So the next thing, we can do a quick haul, but before we do that, let me do some dinner prep so that by the time we are doing the haul, the marination is happening. We have kenchik, kukumfalme, drumsticks, so let's marinate them. So I want to marinate the chicken, and I'm going to use basic ingredients. As you can see, it has its own stand, but now when I need it to be elevated. I don't know how to do it. So if you have a solution of how I can elevate my GoPro using a tripod which is GoPro friendly, let me know. You can see it's already falling. It's also a challenge to have it here, but you know what? We make do with what we have.
Let us know what else you would like us to share, and also share with us what you have learned so that we can also learn from you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much for your continued support. We value you. See you on the next one. Bye.